Welcome back guys. So in this video I will be showing you how you can install Android 11 on your laptop or PC. So we're going to use this Bliss OS for PC. So it's one of the very popular Android OS available for the computer. So the main feature of this is it has a very unique tablet UI and also very suitable for desktop users as well. So it has three versions: the Android 11, the Android 10 and Android 9. I think Android 9 has been discontinued, but Android 10 is the stable one. The Android 11 is still in beta, so it's not really fit for regular usage. But in this video I'm going to show you how it looks like and how you can install it on your device. So you have the two versions: the standard version for the older CPUs, the Celeron or the dual core processors, and we have the advanced hardware, so i3 i5 new generations. You can use it. So I'm going to use the advanced version here. So just hit on download and it will take you to the sourceforge.net, the website, and here it will just automatically start download. So it started downloading. I will advise you to use an external download manager like IDM or EagleNet to download faster. So after it's download, we have to make partition. So search for disk management, just type in partition and open up this app. Here we need to create a partition in our D drive. I'm going to right click and then select shrink volume. So you can choose whatever size you want. I'm going to choose here 20 GB. So I'm going to write 20,000 MB. You can also make 100 GB or 200 GB. It's up to you. So after it is created, now you need to right click and create new volume. So just press next and continue, finish, and a new partition will be made. While you're here, also make sure to check the partition scheme for storage. So right click and just on the volume tab you can see which partition you have. So now we need to make a bootable drive with the ISO that we have downloaded of Bliss OS. So just open this Rufus and select the ISO image that we downloaded. In the partition scheme, make sure to choose MBRGPT according to the storage scheme. Then just press on start and it will format and begin the process. It will take some time. I've just fast forwarded it. So now we need to boot into our BIOS. So just to restart on my HP laptop, I need to my shortcut keys to escape. So it will show me these BIOS options, and here I need to press F9 to see the boot device options. Now I need to boot from the pen drive that we made into the bootable USB, and here we need to scroll down. So use the arrow key to scroll down, and we need to select this Bliss OS installation. We will try to find the OS image, and now here we need to select the partition that we just created. So make sure you remember the space that we created, and we need to format into NTFS. Select OK, and then here also press yes, and then yes again, then yes. It will reformat. to desktop layout as well. Right now it is in the mobile layout. So I was trying to record this screen using the screen recording app from Play Store, but for some reason it wasn't working. The app just won't open up. You can see it is on Android 11. So the performance is good, it's very smooth, and the Wi-Fi is also working and everything else. But I'm seeing a lot of crashes, Google Play services crashes. So I wouldn't recommend it for general usage, or you can just try it out. But I don't think it's going. I've tried some things, but it wasn't working. So Play Store is opening and you can download and use some apps, but recording app that I was using too and other screen recording apps as well wasn't working, and I was seeing multiple Google Play services error. So I don't know about that, so it's still in beta, that's why. So you can just await a stable release. You can see it just keeps crashing, so you can give it a try or wait for a more stable release in the future, but for now I wouldn't recommend you to use it. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.